Generative AI tools like ChatGPT are pretty cool and can supercharge your productivity. Unfortunately, they do present security risks if not used properly, and you need to make sure you have the right safeguards in place. In this video, I'm going to go through my top 3. First up, have a generative AI security policy in place. Some organizations are doing things like just banning ChatGPT, and I think that's bad business and security strategy. What organizations should be doing is giving employees the tools to use generative AI securely. At a minimum, your policy should identify what information you can input into the tool and who decides what this should be. If you want a detailed template, then check out the featured section of my profile. Step 2 is opt out of data sharing. By default, OpenAI will train on any prompts that you input via the ChatGPT user interface. And companies like Samsung and Amazon have recently suspected that some of their confidential information may have been leaked as a result of this functionality. So what you should do is go to the OpenAI opt-out page and request that none of the information input by your organization is trained on when using the interface. All right, last up is use the API for sensitive use cases. Although the chat interface is easy to work with, consider writing a custom script to pass your prompts to the API. OpenAI says that they do not train on data sent via the API unless you opt in, and that they only retain your information for 30 days after you send it. If you don't know how to do this, then just ask ChatGPT how to write you a script in Python using a tool like Google Colab. But make sure that you don't give ChatGPT your API key in the process. To summarize, use ChatGPT securely by having a policy in place governing its use, opting out of data sharing, and using the API whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, a comment, and a follow. Thanks a lot.